Millipedes are ancient, soil-dwelling arthropods that belong to the class Diplopoda. The name Diplopoda comes from Greek and means double foot, referring to their most defining feature. Most body segments carry 2 pairs of legs. The word millipede means 1,000 feet, but no species actually has 1,000 legs. The current record holder is Eumillipes persephone, a species discovered in Western Australia in 2021, with up to 1,306 legs. Most millipedes have between 34 and 400 legs. There are more than 12,000 described species of millipedes worldwide, but scientists estimate that the true number may exceed 80,000. They are found on every continent except Antarctica, living primarily in moist environments such as leaf litter, forest floors, caves, and soil. Millipedes evolved over 400 million years ago, during the Silurian period. Fossil evidence shows that some prehistoric species reached lengths of over 2 meters, making them among the largest land invertebrates in Earth's history. Their large size was possible due to higher atmospheric oxygen levels during the Carboniferous period. Despite their many legs, millipedes are slow movers. They are detritivores, feeding mainly on decaying plant material. By breaking down leaf litter and wood, they play a critical role in nutrient cycling and soil formation. Without millipedes and other decomposers, forest ecosystems would accumulate vast layers of undecomposed organic matter. Millipedes do not bite or sting. Their primary defense mechanism is chemical. Many species secrete defensive compounds such as hydrogen cyanide, benzoquinones, phenols, or alkaloids. These chemicals can repel ants, spiders, birds, and small mammals. In some tropical species, the secretion is strong enough to cause skin irritation or temporary discoloration in humans. One little known fact: some millipedes glow under ultraviolet light. Their exoskeleton contains fluorescent compounds that absorb UV radiation and re-emit it as visible light. The biological function is not fully understood, but hypotheses include predator deterrence or communication. Another surprising trait is their reproductive strategy. Males possess specialized legs called gonopods, modified for transferring sperm. Fertilization is internal, and females often lay eggs in small chambers constructed from soil and fecal matter for protection. Millipedes grow by molting. Unlike insects, many species add both body segments and legs after each molt in a process called anamorphic development. Juveniles hatch with fewer segments and gradually increase their body length over time. They breathe through spiracles connected to tracheae, similar to insects. Because they rely on diffusion rather than lungs, they are highly sensitive to desiccation. This is why they are mostly nocturnal and avoid dry environments. Millipedes also engage in a behavior called defensive coiling. When threatened, they curl into a tight spiral, protecting their vulnerable underside while exposing their hardened dorsal plates and chemical glands. In caves, some millipedes have evolved extreme adaptations: elongated bodies, reduced pigmentation, and enhanced sensory structures. The record-breaking Eumillipes persephone lives more than 60 meters underground in drill holes, demonstrating that millipedes can colonize deep subterranean ecosystems. Ecologically, millipedes are bioindicators. Their presence and diversity reflect soil health, moisture levels, and ecosystem stability. They are often confused with centipedes, but centipedes belong to the class Chilopoda. Centipedes have 1 pair of legs per segment, are predatory, move rapidly, and possess venomous forcipules. Millipedes, by contrast, are slow, non-venomous decomposers with 2 pairs of legs per segment. Millipedes are not pests by nature. However, during periods of heavy rain, they may migrate in large numbers, entering homes accidentally while seeking dry shelter. In summary, millipedes are ancient, double-legged decomposers of the class Diplopoda, with over 12,000 described species worldwide. They shape soil ecosystems, evolved hundreds of millions of years ago, defend themselves chemically, grow by adding segments, and include the only known animal with over 1,300 legs. They are slow, silent engineers of the forest floor, and without them, terrestrial ecosystems would not function as they do today.